Alright, you tech-savvy lot, let's settle this once and for all. The Linux world is packed with choices, but today, we're zeroing in on 3 of the most popular distros out there: Zorin OS, Linux Mint, or Pop. OS, which one deserves the crown as the ultimate Linux distro? Each has its own strengths, quirks, and unique appeal. I've put all 3 through their paces, and here's where things really get interesting. First up, Zorin OS. Let's see what it brings to the table. If you're coming from Windows and want zero confusion, Zorin's got your back. It's designed to make the transition as smooth as possible. The interface feels familiar, the setup's a breeze, and honestly, it looks sharp. You'll feel right at home, even if you're new to Linux. With Zorin, you'll spend less time tinkering and more time actually getting stuff done. It's a great choice for productivity and everyday tasks. But if you're after tons of customization, it's not quite as flexible out of the box. Next, let's talk about Linux Mint. Mint is all about simplicity and stability. It's a distro that just works. No fuss, no drama. It's lightweight, super reliable, and runs incredibly well on older hardware. If you've got an aging laptop, Mint can breathe new life into it. The Cinnamon desktop gives you that classic PC vibe, and the software manager is dead simple. Installing apps is a breeze, even for beginners. The only real downside? It's not as flashy, and you might miss out on some bleeding-edge features. Then there's Pop OS, which takes a different approach. Built by System 76, this one's for power users and creators. It's engineered for those who want more control and performance. Think slick design, keyboard shortcuts galore, and outstanding support for gaming and NVIDIA graphics. It's a favorite among gamers and creative professionals. Pop OS feels modern, and its tiling window manager is a productivity dream. You can organize your workflow like never before. It's perfect if you want to push your machine to its limits, whether you're gaming, coding, or multitasking with heavy workloads. But if you're brand new to Linux, it might feel a tad intimidating at first. There's a bit of a learning curve, but it's worth it if you stick with it. So, which do I pick? It really depends on your needs and what you value most in an operating system. If you're switching from Windows, go Zorin. It's the easiest way to make the leap without feeling lost. If you want something rock solid for everyday use, Mint's your mate. It's dependable and won't let you down. But if you're into gaming, coding, or just love a bit of power under the hood, Pop OS is the one to beat. It's built for those who want more from their system. At the end of the day, the best distro is the one that fits your needs and sparks your curiosity. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works for you. Give them a spin. Your perfect Linux experience is out there, just waiting to be discovered.